good with y'all? What's good, man? We tuned in for another video. Y'all can see it's track day, man, so it's a little track vlog. About to go get some footage, man, for the main channel, which is J Malcolm 2004, cause I see everybody don't know what the main channel is. So just same thing as this channel, but take the rides off. So about to go get some racing action in, but I'm gonna drive meats. Man. I'm about to gotta do my check over, check the oil, check my wire. Gotta put my essentials in here, which is a spare spark plug wire and what else? My jump box. That's what I carry right now. Hold on, y'all. I'm unbuckling the car cover. But yeah, I got to take my big meats essentials, man. That's what we gotta come on the road with. So I'm going solo today, cause this gonna be the longest drive I done took in meats. And it's hot too, boy. It's hot today. I was second guessing driving the car. When I say it's hot out here, but hey, when the windows down, man, and the air get to blowing in there, it be pretty cool. So I'm about to take the oil and all that, and then get everything loaded up. Got me a cooler. Gotta stay hydrated, and yeah, man, we're gonna be ready to go, and we're gonna hit the road. I'm gonna top the gas off, cause I ain't playing them games, and then we're gonna ride. So y'all just stay tuned. Alright, y'all, I'm checking in. Y'all know I'm gonna give y'all the real deal. Y'all see where I'm at now? I'm right down the street from the track. That meats decided he wanna cut off. So my boy Tay stopped, checked on him, appreciate him. I think it vapor locked. Cause the gas wasn't getting up here. I just took the gas cap off and it crunk up. It picked up the gas. So I got the gas cap out right now. I ain't got it slapped full, so won't no gas come out of it. But I think it vapor locking. So I'm gonna have to check that out. And Tay just pointed something else out. I just saw it right before I left too. Cap leaking a little bit, but it broke right there. So it ain't lasting, but we'll be alright right there. So we're gonna go and get to the track, y'all, then meats gotta do right when we get to the house. Back to the house basically. See, the gas wasn't getting up there at first, so it was vapor locking as soon as I got on it, but I think we're alright now, so we're gonna go on to the track. See y'all in a minute. Alright, y'all. I made it to the track. And yeah, this thing is most definitely vapor lock. I'm gonna have to take that vent tube out. But like I said, I took the gas cap off. You know, it'll be alright. So I ain't gotta worry about no gas coming out the tank or none of that. But,
yeah, you do.
Look at that tape. Someone said, yeah, I do.
You had a whole lot coming out the tank.
Huh?
You had a whole lot coming out the tank.
Tomorrow when I ride?
Yeah.
Oh, it slapped. It slapped full then. It slapped full. So we're gonna lose a little gas, but we'll be alright though. We'll make it home though. We'll make it home. So it slapped full. But yeah, it definitely vapor locking. Like I said, it'll be alright going home though. Then we'll get that straightened out. But all in all, meats did good on the road, riding and all that. Huh? I got some right here. So yeah, we all good. So now we finna get in here. I'm finna park my cooler in my spot first. Cause I normally don't park right here. I normally park down there by the fence, but everybody got my spot, man. I'm gonna have to talk to the track owner and say, hey, tell David, man, I need a personal parking spot. But I'm gonna get with y'all in a minute. Alright, y'all, so we're checking in, walking around right now. Let y'all check out some of the cars and all of that. So right now, about to go see if we can stir up a little something. So with the mother's camp, we finna go over here to Chris. Y'all should remember Chris from the other vlog, the Goblin and Green Mustang. Y'all gonna remember as soon as we see it. So y'all just stay tuned and get over here. I already know it's gonna be a show. So we're gonna see what we make happen, man. Y'all just stay tuned. Alright, y'all, so over here by Chris' car, the Goblin. He actually said he want to race a donk that's supposed to be coming here today, called Rock, but this it. Y'all should remember from the last video. That's Instagram right there. Go follow him on Instagram. So we got the Mullis camp. I put a clip of their truck in the vlog now so y'all can see it. It's a nice little sleeper. Well, it ain't sleeping no more. I mean, we done got a 2 million views on the video and stuff, man. They great set of guys and everything to get down. So they want to try to get some action with Chris, though, man. We gonna see what Chris talking about when we get that GoPro. Y'all just stay tuned.
I'm gonna run Rock. Oh yeah, you know how I do it. I had to come here. Big Money Rock was talking a lot of shit these past couple days. So guess what? I'm here. He talked shit last night. He looked like a turtle last night. So I came out here. I'm finna squash him. That's what I'm finna do. I'm finna step right on that shit just like that. Just like that, buddy. He's done.
I told you.
Soon as he pull in, I'm on his ass. Watch this. Watch what I'm talking about now.
He came here. He want to donk, y'all.
You want to try something with a pickup truck?
Pickup truck.
That red and white toolbox truck. It's heavy and old and slow.
Yeah, we run.
That's a barn truck.
I know you got a bomb on that. We tried. I probably run about 2 times.
With a couple dollars on that, get us home on fuel.
That's fine. If you want to lose some money, that's fine with me, buddy.
That's all right.
I'm on your ass. I'm on your ass. How much you want to lose?
I don't know. Let me count it up. I'll come get you after.
You let me know. I'm on your ass.
Let us get one more pass in between rounds. And we'll
I don't even need no test pad. You do what you need to do.
Damn, you don't even need a test pad.
I don't need no test pad. Straight off trailer, cuz. See, when you go to an automatic, you don't really need no test pad. All you do is just put it in drive and go. That's all you gotta do. Put it in drive and go. That's what I'm gonna do.
And just add slapper bars for this thing.
So look, y'all. Look like we got a race. Look like we got a race. So we're gonna have the Goblin, the Mustang versus the short bed, red and white short bed. Like I said, I put the clip in the vlog. So hey, both of these guys, man, good set of guys. They like to have fun and all that. But boy, Chris said he don't need no shakedown.
No, I don't need no shakedown. As soon as he's ready, I'm ready. That's it. All I gotta do is just pull it off the trailer. I really want Money Rock first, but he wants something. I'll get his ass too.
Alright, man. So, alright, y'all stay tuned. So, coming up with a plan, then gonna make it happen. So, y'all gonna go, look, y'all wanna see the race? Y'all go over to my main channel, put on my main channel. This behind the scene, this the vlog, of course. So, y'all stay tuned.
Oh, he don't need no with a Hellcat. He don't need no with a Hellcat. Look, you got big. Man, look how big that tire. That's a 29-inch tire on that thing, man.
That's a used tire.
Man, come on, cuz.
Dude, it's a used tire.
After I whoop you, pull this round, I go to your ass. Matter of fact, you got the back tire.
Nah, man, we need a whole.
Matter of fact, you got the back tire.
We need a whole grocery list.
No, you got the back tire with that. Head up on your ass.
Man, I got a
Let me know.
I got a student driver in the Hellcat.
Hey,
No, I ain't worried about no student driver. Y'all had that Hellcat over a year. Let me get it.
Out the trailer.
With what? Well, he's running us first.
Y'all don't say out the trailer, let go.
With what? Which one?
Goblin.
Well, he's running off the trailer with this one first.
They do it now.
Huh?
They do it now.
No, we can't do it right now. We gotta let you. Think about it. Yeah, we down. We got a whole rusted up radiator here. It's fine.
What? This ain't no street car, it's a street car, ain't it? Hell no. It's a street car, it's a street car, ain't it?
Man, we just pulled this thing out of the bushes today.
Shit, man, you a
Hey, family, that fuel cell on up there.
That's a damn diesel.
Hey, that's a diesel transfer tank.
I thought it was a street car. It don't matter. It don't matter. Tell your ass I go. It don't matter. You just let me know when you're ready and I pull it out the trailer. I go straight to the line.
Suspension, man. That ain't no street truck, man.
Let's get one more pass with this thing.
Well, you need how many passes you don't have today? About 3?
Shit, one?
Come on,
One good one.
About 4. Come on,
We
bro.
done spun the tires every single pass. We ain't had it hooking in here.
Hey, man, I tell you what. Like I said, when you see me get out that trailer,
going
they
down,
gonna make a pass. You can like, damn, you can.
Alright, so y'all see it's packed in here today. Plenty of bad rides out here. I see it's going down. So we got one race set up. Gonna see what else can get shaking in here today, y'all. So y'all just stay them my peoples right there, that bad S10.
Alright, we got the big motorcycle here.
Some bad cars. If you want to see these cars, if y'all want to see these cars in action, and you don't follow my main channel, go to my main channel, man. You can see all of this. So y'all just stay tuned. See, bad Camaro.
So we can't get you down the track, get you another.
Monte Carlo, man. It's some bad cars, man.
Got there, okay, I'm gonna make it.
S10.
Hey, who that said that?
Oh, no. Yeah. Y'all see the
Let's get him down,
stick on there.
let's go, stay down, let's go. Let's get him in the beam, put him in the beam.
I see it. Bad car in here, man. Cutlass is clean. The thing is clean. Yeah. Alright, y'all see Andy Mack. Bad truck. Everything out here. So now we're finna head to the track. See what's going on. It was too hot earlier. So I just been chilling. Everything been knocking the tires off. Everything been knocking the tires off out there, so I was just chilling. But we about to go see what's going on now. See if I can catch some good footage. See what's shaking. So we'll catch y'all in a minute. All right, y'all. So I'm checking in, and I got my man right here. First time at the track ever. So, hey, what you think?
Hey man, this is my first time at the track. I love this shit. I hear a lot of people talking about this shit. Hey, it make me want to get into it. I got a goddamn 2006 Corvette. I'm thinking about getting it ready because I hear a lot of people talking shit. So I want to get involved. and like I say, this smoke do something to me. This is my first time. This shit better than weed.
hey, boy, look, you got to know he enjoying himself. He said that. He got to be enjoying himself, so you about to get that vet out here though.
Yes, sir. Hey, folks, I love this. You gonna see that vet probably about in 2 more months. Like I say, my name is Darren Askew. I'm from Unadilla, Georgia. Y'all remember that? Unadilla, Georgia. They call it U-time. That's where all the racing come from. So, like I say, about 2 more months, y'all look for that goddamn earned vet. That's a bad motherfucker.
It going down. It going down. So we're gonna take y'all in a minute, man. Hey, look, all right, y'all. We checking in. We're in staging lane. We got Lil Rock. What going on now? Oh, there it is. Look, we got my boy Rock, man. My boy Rock in here, y'all.
I got my boy right here, Noah. You know what I'm saying? I got my daughter right here.
You got the whole family?
My son right here, Chris.
Yes, indeed.
Champ race. We know we get ready for Dog Mouse tomorrow. Got the bed man shooting the movie right here.
Hit it one time. Look,
Hit it one time, Noah. Hit it, chill, Noah.
Hey, it going down.
What's up?
It going down.
What we gonna do tomorrow? What you want me to do to Dog Mouse? You want me to do what? Tell the camera.
Kill him.
Uh-oh.
You want me to kill him?
Hey,
Okay, we gonna kill him tomorrow.
It going down, y'all.
Y'all heard it from my son. We gonna kill him tomorrow. Mr.
Hey.
Chin Chill, baby.
Yes,
See you
indeed.
later, baby. Got my bed. Y'all want to see the bed cameraman around here? City, state to state. Fuck with J Malcolm, baby.
More
From the
We've
channel.
been rocking a long time, man. A long time, y'all. Long time.
Hey, let me get my neighbor right here from Bowling.
Oh, yeah.
My neighbor right here. Y'all see my neighbor right here. Dave. Look here, we gonna daily. We gonna goddamn keep it real. You know what I'm saying? We've been putting it down for a long time out of Bowling Brook, GA. You know what I'm saying? Still at it, baby. We ain't making that, but we still getting that money, baby.
All the money on rock, fuck, don't mess with the mark.
Oh, yes, indeed. Yes, indeed.
Champ race, baby. Y'all heard it live, baby, from J Malcolm, baby. Y'all better get on. Y'all want a good cameraman? Contact J Malcolm, baby.
Yes,
Y'all heard it from
indeed.
the champ. You gotta hear from nobody else, baby.
All right, we out. All right, y'all. We checking in. Got a hunt right here, man. Got a grud race coming up. Going down. Bad all motor car, man. Small block. True. Got my people right here, man. With the Georgia crew. Y'all already know. They do their thing at the track, y'all. So where the car from? Where that car is? It's from Yep. So yep, we got a grub, man. I'm finna catch that grub, man. I'll catch y'all.
Everybody go ahead and move over.
Stage roll.
Alright, y'all, so It is 2. Let me see. 2:12 in the morning, and I just made it home. I'm talking low, cause y'all know, of course, everybody sleep. All the kids and the wife sleep, so I'm just checking out. The track was on 10, man. I hope y'all enjoyed the vlog and all that. I'm tired, but I'm about to go ahead and import this footage. I already got a computer on. Part of the sacrifices I make to do what I do. So I'm about to import this footage before I go to sleep. And I'm laying it down, man. So I hope y'all enjoyed the vlog, man. I'll catch y'all tomorrow. I'm out.